Today we have a trip inside the Pune, but as you can see, there are several points where you can find out something different than only city, blogs and shopping. And one of these places is, where are we, Varshid?
Swami Narayan Mandir.
What is it?
It's a temple
Okay.
of Swami Narayan God.
Right now, you're on the place when I did something wrong, unfortunately. But
No.
Varshid just told me I should be without shoes, like this. So in my culture, for example, you go to the church and you shouldn't have anything on your head. And here, you should be without shoes. You have not only one, but many gods
Many
here.
gods. Because in the northern side of India, in a temple, lot of gods are there. But in the
Okay.
southern side of India, if you go to a temple, there is only 1 to 2 gods.
Another location, and right now we are.
Fashion street.
What we can do here?
We can get clothes and everything fashion with very less prices.
Okay, and let's have a do. So you can see all the branches, the very important branches. So H&M, Levi's, Nike are here. Yes. Yep. So this what you can see, it's too much ice cream, man.
This is not too much. This is very less ice cream.
Well less, but they are very tasty.
If it dissolve, it will half. It will be become half.
Okay, cool. But they are very tasty, so thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Everything from these. Varshid, question. So you need plan to go somewhere, yes?
Yeah.
And my opinion is just go and see what is behind the corner.
Yeah.
You don't like it?
No, I like it.
Okay,
But
just
it will
enjoy.
be better if we eat something.
Yes, but you don't know what is behind the corner. If you don't go there, you will not check it.
Okay.
And all the time, this guy, how old are you?
26, 27, 27.
Okay, see, he has to ask somebody. So here's the new generation, and they have to check what is on handy behind the corner. I'm the old generation, just go and enjoy. So, in this situation, behind us, so there is a college, and maybe we'll be able to go inside. So I would like to see. It was behind the corner.
Let's see.
Let's go. We are
FC College,
FC College.
Ferguson College.
Yes,
Yeah.
and with the first gate we are not able to get in. With the second gate, nobody asked. So we changed the strategy, and it works.
This is a very old college, maybe built by the Britishers, and right now we are using it. Yeah, but the buildings literally look like they are built for a prison.
Yes, I think the same. They look like for the prison.
Maybe we can research more and
Yes.
get to the truth.
Yeah, maybe we can ask somebody.
So the competition for this college is also too high.
So how many people per one position?
It's in lakhs for some thousands of places.
we have a break for something to eat. And it's dosa. Dosa without anything.
Sada.
Sada dosa. Welcome back. We are
in Pune Okayama Friendship Gardens.
This is the first garden or first park where I really had to pay, and the payment is
5 rupees.
per person, so not a lot of money. And yeah, it's the largest Japanese garden, yeah,
Japanese garden outside of Japan.
outside Japan. So we'll see how beautiful the place is. We are leaving the Japanese garden.
Yeah.
Nice trip, nice time.
We will explore more.
Yes, explore more. See you soon. So, today the day was quite good, I think so.
Yeah.
But at the end was something interesting, yeah?
Today it's the first time I have rode the bike. I have driven the bike.
Very fun.
The Royal Enfield Himalayan.
Yeah.
And you can say it's the first time I have bike that is more than 250cc because I was not riding anything before that. Yeah. And
So it's
today
also good
I learned
day.
how to bargain because we were a lot street shopping and I did a lot of bargaining today. Yeah.
And also you saw people who they really need money, how we can behave and support them, yes?
Yeah.
So people who don't have money but only expecting to get money, there's one topic, and I think it's okay, but I don't like it. But today we also saw people who were selling something, really,
Yeah.
and they were the whole day outside in the sun, and you saw what we can do to support them. And it's good to support people who try at least to increase the standard of the lives or find out the job. So this was, I think, a good point.
Yes.
So a good day today was.
Yes,
wasn't
it was a crazy day in a good way. Yeah.
Good. And right now we are driving in a tuk-tuk. So in my language it's rickshaw. I don't know if it's the same, but tuk-tuk.
Yeah, auto rickshaw. Yeah.
Yeah, because it's make tuk 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 tuk. Yeah, and it's cool. Really, it's cool. So, thank you for today, and we'll see next time.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.